Hello, my magical beings, Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing wonderful, amazing. You are safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel, for giving lots of support to the channel. Thank you, thank you. And if you have not subscribed yet, please like, share and subscribe to the channel so that you can get all the important messages which are important for you. This is your bonus love reading for Feb 2021. As you know, this is a Valentine week. So this is your bonus love reading. Usually I do bonus love reading. I make every time I make it. But a very happy birthday to all my Aquarians who are having birthday. Let me know in the comment section so that I can wish you personally. And take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest. Okay, now let's start your reading. While shuffling also, I can saw that adventure is coming for you, Aquarius. Some adventure is coming for you. Let's see what are the messages. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the messages which are important to deliver for my beautiful magical beings. We are the world. Okay, you can have a look on your main general reading and extended reading. I have already uploaded. Okay, consciousness, nothingness and clinging to the past. So some of you are still clinging to the past. Okay, you're still holding on the past. You have to let go of the past. Right now you don't have to do anything. Okay, here nothingness is here. Your consciousness is now more active right now. Here I'm having we are the world. That means we all are connected to each other. Okay, in your consciousness you will get to know this once you are getting your consciousness activated. And we are the world means that you are completing a cycle of world card. Okay, and in your main reading too there was a world card here. Wow, transformation. Beautiful transformation is taking place for you. There is a change which is coming for you. Beautiful. Right now you don't have to do anything. Don't clinch to the past. Okay, just let go of the past. There is flowering. You're becoming more beautiful than before and you're getting more awakened. Awareness is coming for you as you're becoming more transformed. Transformation is taking place for you. Beautiful things are coming for you, Aquarius. Can you see how beautiful it is? There is a change which is coming for you. There is transformation which is taking place, and after this transformation you becoming like a flower. Flowering is here. You will bloom like a flower and you will becoming more aware than before. Awareness is coming for you. Can you see how you are shedding your old skin and now you are connected on your soul level? Your consciousness is getting activated because your transformation is taking place. And if you are still clinging to the past, just get out of this energy as soon as possible, because beautiful things are coming for you, Aquarius. The change is coming for you. There is a transformation which is taking place here. Thank you so much for giving the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages from the Mystical Wisdom Oracle deck. What are the messages? Please help me out to deliver the messages which I need to deliver. Wow. See, I told you. There is definitely change which is coming for you. Moving forward, change. Get ready for positive change. Positive change is coming for you, Aquarius. Okay, my magical beings. So yes, positive change is coming for you. You are moving in a forward direction. You have to get ready for the positive change. Any other message? Okay, intuition. Trust your intuition, Aquarius. You're getting more intuitive than before. As you know, your transformation is taking place. Your consciousness is now active. So now you're becoming more active. Your third eye is getting activated. So your intuition is trying to tell you something. So trust your intuitions and moving in a forward direction. Get ready for moving in a forward direction. Very positive, very beautiful messages. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages from the fortune reading oracle deck. What are the messages? Please help me out to deliver the messages which I need to deliver. What are the messages which I need to deliver? Give me the messages for my Aquarius. Let me pick them up. Okay, these were the cards which fall out, and it was like fire, love, fool, and in your main reading too I was getting fool. Okay, the star, that's you, and the sun was also there. So very positive reading for you today, Aquarius. That means that let go of emotional upheaval and embrace the renewal of the present. So there is a renewal of your present. You just need to let go if you are holding on, see, clinging on to the past. Let go anything on which you are holding on, still holding on, and you have to take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction. Here the fool is here. Have the courage to embrace change, take risk, be adventurous. Okay, so fool card is here. Then there is love. Love surrounds all your connections. Move forward positively in all areas of your life. Okay, take a leap of faith in your love life too. Take a leap of faith in all connections, because love surrounds all in your all connections. Okay, then there is star. Hard time are over. Look forward to an abundance of happiness, enthusiasm, and positivity. Beautiful message. Sun, open your heart to the enormous growth ahead. This is the happiest card in the tarot deck, and I'm getting it for you. New happy beginnings are coming for you, my lovely magical beings, Aquarius. Get ready for the positive changes. See, happy new beginnings are coming for you. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages from the energy oracle card. What are the messages for my beautiful magical beings? Give me the messages which I need to deliver. Help me out to deliver the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius. Wow. Wow. I told you, your sixth sense, your intuition. Trust your intuition here. Your sixth chakra, Archangel Metron, third eye is getting open up. See, again the message is here. Trust your intuition. Your third eye is getting open up. You are getting more intuitive than before. The victory is coming for you, Aquarius. The victory card. And here I'm having caring connection, bottom of the deck. So can you see? Caring connection and the victory. Beautiful. Any other message? First chakra, Archangel Michael. That means stability. Your first chakra is getting open up. Stability and security is coming for you, Aquarius. Maybe there are some adjacent possibilities which you have to make, but stability and security is coming for you. Okay, wow. Bottom of the deck I'm having fourth chakra, Archangel Raphael, and the journey. You're going to start a new chapter of your life. Okay, a new journey is going to start. Your heart chakra is getting open up, is going to heal, and door to personal happiness and healing and opportunity is opened now. Beautiful. Beautiful, Aquarius. Beautiful. Victory is coming for you. There is stability, there is security. See, healer of the ages. You are getting your healing, Aquarius. Healing is coming for you. Healer of the ages. Let me see any other message. You need to release any attachments if you are still having on. Can you see how this girl is attached to the chains of this? So if you are still attached, if you are having the attachment from the past, if you are still clinging to the past, you need to release these attachments, Aquarius, as soon as possible. Okay, again, in every deck, in the this is the third deck which I am using, third or fourth deck. In every deck I'm getting the same message that you need to release any attachment if you are having it. Okay, and because of these attachment, maybe some of you are feeling like all tied up, restricted, stuck, because you need to release yourself from this self-imposed jail. Okay, that's why you're feeling anxiety too, because beautiful things are here, Aquarius. There is a healing which is coming for you. There are some adjacent possibilities which you have to make. Okay, but victory is coming for you, stability and security is coming for you, and there is third eye opening up, attachment, the temple path. Okay, do your spiritual journey, do your work on your healing, your meditation, your inner work, because you have to choose the temple path. Okay, here, do your meditation. The world card is here again. You're completing a cycle, Aquarius. That's it. There is a closing out of a cycle. Yeah, there is a closing out of a karmic cycle here, which is closing out, ending of old cycles, and there is new beginning of new cycles. Beautiful messages. So healing is coming for you. You need to release any attachment if you're still having it. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's add some message from the fairies of Oracle. Let's see what fairies wants to tell us. What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius? Oh wow, there are 3 messages for you. Okay. There is motivation. When spring approaches, the flower fairy urges you to spring into action. If there is something you have been merely thinking about doing, then say get busy and do it. Okay, if you're thinking to do something, Aquarius, you can start that. Okay, get busy and do that. That's the message which is here. Then there is life energy. The happy fairy of sunshine brings a lot of life-giving energy. She reminds you to shine your light and to reveal anything in the shadows that needs to be healed. Okay, shine within yourself. If there is an healing required, heal yourself, Aquarius. Come together. Fairies like to be busy, and a group of them is showing you that many hands make light work. Working as a team helps get the job done. So you can work together, Aquarius. Okay, if you think that you need any kind of help, you can let me know in the comment section. If I can help you out in any manner, I will let you know too. So you can see how coming together is here. Thank you so much, fairies, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's add some messages from Native Spirit. And I love this deck. The thing is, it's very beautiful. It's very... I love my all decks, I can say that. But yeah, it's very attractive, I can say this. Okay, let's see. What are the messages? Gathering your tribes. One more. Spirit of air gathering your tribe. See how colorful and how bright the cards are. I love the deck. Gathering your tribe. You are loved, you are lovable, you deserve love. Support in all forms is flowing you. Okay? You can relax. There is so much love around you. Communicate from your heart. Share your truth. You are safe. Diminish your time with those who do not empower you or believe in you. Diminish your time with those who do not empower you or believe in you. Spend some time with friends and family members who see the best in you, Aquarius. Okay? And then the message is Spirit of Air. That means clarity and expansion. Perception of life is emerging. You are being advised to see life from a higher perspective. Clear out mental clutter. Breathe. All is well. Do not be concerned. The cobwebs are being cleared away. Communicate your truth. Take care of details. Pay attention and don't let things slip through the cracks. Take time to hear the truth of others. Spirit is whispering to you. Open your mind to see a situation into a new light. So beautiful messages is here that you need to clear out the clutter. See, again the message is same, and see the picture from a higher perspective. You are having clarity and expansion of life is here. Open your mind and see the situation from a new light. Okay, so that was the message. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's add one or two cards from the Crystal Spirit Oracle deck. Let's see what Crystal Spirit Oracle deck wants to tell my lovely Aquarius. What are the messages you want me to deliver to my lovely Aquarius? Give me the messages which I need to deliver. What are the messages? Dumorite. I'm sorry if I pronounce it wrong, but dumorite and petalite. Okay, dumorite and petalite. These are two stones which I found for you. Okay, you can use these two. Dumorite and petalite. 1133 was the recording reading time. Now let's read it out. What is the meaning for these? This is organization, clutter cleaning, list making, orderliness. Not all plans will come to fruition, but in the planning we learn so much. Have you worked out your plans, making list and organizing your thoughts? This Dumorite spirit message is saying you to take the ideas in your mind and commit them to paper in orderly fashion. For you to suppose right now in structuring plans that will help you achieve the fulfillment and healing you seek. 1212 was the recording reading time. Your mental discipline is enhanced now, so pull out your journal and write your to-do items. Draw arrows and pictures that help you prioritize and acknowledge what is more important to you and what needs to be on the low priority end of your list or drop off your list altogether. This spirit wants you to know that you will feel stronger and more confidence once you start working out on your ideas on paper. And right now your power to put it all together in a way that works for you is at peak. Commit to organizing your ideas today. For the conscious universe wants you to know that you are at the better at this planning stuff that might you think. Beautiful. Then there is petalite. Witnessing, the observer, an ability to detach, the impersonal quality of the universe. Sometimes life feels too close for comfort. Decisions are difficult to make when you are taking life so personally. This is particularly true to empaths and sensitives. When this spirit arrives, it's here to give you ability to step back and observe with detachment and neutrality. There is a place within you that allows you to observe without emotion. See the world with the perspective of acceptance, trying to change not what you see as external to you, but rather than the lens through which you perceive it. Now it's time to step back and observe what is in front of you. Are you reacting to something that is triggering you, or are you overwhelmed by the sheer amount of information that you need to process and the time required to sort things out? Petalite Spirit reminds you that a clear, detached manner will empower you to understand the true nature of what is in front of you now and to take your next steps in your own time. Beautiful messages. So these are the messages from the Crystal Spirits Oracle deck. Thank you so much, Crystal Spirits Oracle deck, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's add some message from Healing Mantra deck. These messages will help you out in your healing. Okay, so let's see what are the messages for Aquarius. Give me the messages. Inspiring others. I help others feel empowered by acknowledging their gifts. Beautiful. You need to inspire others, Aquarius. Okay, you have to help others feel empowered by acknowledging their gifts. Beautiful message. Any other message for Aquarius? Greeting wellness. Balance is a key to life in balance is the key to a life of infinite miracles. Okay, greeting wellness. Then there is honoring adversity. A fire reveals a path of renewed direction once the burning is complete. So there is a message here. Demystifying the darkness. My shadow shows me where my love needs to be sent, and that's very important. Interrogating the ego. Everything is for me, not against me. That's very important. Everything is for me, it's not against me. Grounding my energy. It is safe to be in my body. Okay, so you need to ground your energy. It is safe to be in my body. So these are the healing mantras you can use for yourself, and that will help you out in some manner. Thank you so much, Healing Mantra deck, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's add some message from the Grace cards and see what are the messages. Any other message? Wow. Bottom of the deck, I'm having gift. I want to get my intuition saying that take this card, take this card. Okay, grace is a gift from God. We don't need to work hard to earn it, feel worthy through to deserve it, or surrender our needs to receive it. The gift of grace is our birthright. Okay, beautiful. Then there is ask, receive. See how this synchronicity is here. You need to ask, you need to receive, and there is act. Okay, now read it out. Now I'm reading it out. Ask. When we call upon divine for guidance and support, we will receive a response. Spiritual signposts will be put in our paths to guide us to our highest good. Then there is receive. When we open ourselves up to others, we open ourselves up to the abundance of the universe. You need to open up so that you can receive, Aquarius. Then there is act. Charge forward. When we combine actions with unwavering faith, the power of grace will meet our needs. So you need to ask, receive, and act. These are the messages from this deck. Thank you so much, Grace cards, for giving the beautiful and wonderful messages to my lovely Aquarius. So this was your bonus love reading for Feb 2021. I hope I help you out in some manner, sending you lots of love, light, and healing energy to all my beautiful magical beings, Aquarius, wherever you are in the world. Take care of yourself and see you soon.